I'm recording this video to capture the change or a change that I want to make or need to make to the homepage for this Whitney Town Bowls Club. This is the latest information that will be put onto the page, so I will copy that piece of information onto the homepage. First thing I need to do though is I need to sign in to the administration area of the website by using my username and my password, and signing in, you will notice that a few new menu items appear. Also a sort of event calendar, and you can see that I have logged in to the website. Also, what appears when you log into the website is an icon that you can click to go into the editor of the content for the website. So you can, any one of these pages, you can edit in that manner. You will see that you've got a save button, a cancel button, a versions button, and all kinds, which we'll explain later. This is just a quick video to show how I'm going to go about changing this. Now, this is the data that is currently on the front page. I'm going to select it all and delete it. And I delete by just pressing the delete key, or you could press the backspace key to delete that. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the data, all this data, and I'm going to copy that onto my clipboard. I can then move that away, go back here, find the paste from Word tool. I click on that. I'm presented with this input box. It asks me to press Ctrl and V, so I press Ctrl and V and then press OK. And the new data is now put into the home page. Sounds simple enough, but that's not all that I have to do. As you can see, the page needs a bit of formatting, so I'm going to select it all. Then I'm going to select the format, choose the normal div format. You can see it actually space out the paragraphs a little bit better. I'm of course comparing that with the original document which sits on the other screen to make sure that it more or less looks the same. Well, it doesn't look too bad. One other thing is I'm just going to choose the right font, and the right size. So I think 16 is quite a fair size, large enough for most people to read very easily. So I'm going to select everything again. Then I'm going to choose a font. I like that font. It's very clear, reads very easily, and I like the size 16, and there you go. Then I will take that there and make it one size larger so it stands out a little bit more. I'm just going to go through it. Of course, what we want to do is we want to, wherever we refer to Whitney, like there, we want to make a link to the Whitney website. So I'm going to find that little button that says link, going to click on it. Just need to cancel this because there are two pop-ups, this one and then another. If you click on browse server now, then the other pop-up comes up. Somehow when I click it, both of them come up. But what I want to do is I want to create a link. It will be an HTTP link, and it will go to www.Whitney, hopefully I've spelled correctly, .net. Go to target, and whenever anybody clicks on that, I want a new window to open for that, so it doesn't close the Whitney window. And that's basically it. So I'm just going to put this on my clipboard by pressing Ctrl C, so I'm going to use it a few times. So now I click OK, and as you can see, that has become a link. When you hover over it, color changes, it stands out red, which is the format of this template that I'm using. So there's that place, and there's another one which I will do as well. So I go to the link button, click on link, cancel that out. I want to go into HTTP, Control V, that's the website, the target. I will make a new window, and I OK that, and once more there, I click on link, close that, I go into HTTP, Control V to copy that in there, change the target to a new window, OK, and I think that is the 3 areas that needs to be done. Now I've put that in there myself because I wasn't too sure that I was going to remember that. What one can do is you can make this bold if you want to make it stand out, but that's fine for now, so I'm just going to leave it like that. There are a few more things that I need to do. You can see there that, well, that turned out to be fair as well, so it looks all right. This here is a link, but that link I don't think would have copied properly, but let's see. So if I click on edit link, you just want to close that again. You can see that yes, it did copy it properly, so it will link to the email address for Linda at, I just want to see, Linda at cooperton.freeserve.co.uk. The target, I'm just going to say new window. Link info, it's an email link. Everything else seems to be okay. And there you go. That's the telephone number. And I think things look fair. One other thing that I need to check quickly is if I look at the publishing options, this will be uncategorized. I can change that, take that out completely, don't need that. It is featured. Any article that's featured appears on the front page or the home page. It'll be published from there, and I think that should do. So I'm going to click on save, and let's see how it looks. It has saved the article. It tells me that the article is successfully saved. And oh, okay, I got to get rid of that. That is the the title of the article. So that shows twice now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back in there, edit quickly, and then I'm going to go to content again. That looks all right. Go to publishing, and oh, I think I need to do that in a different place. So I need to do that on the menu item to not show this article title. So I will do that, but I need to do that in the background, on the back end of the website, where the super administrator has got access. So nothing to change. I'm just going to click on cancel so nothing has changed, and then I will fix that by going into the back end and make the change there. So for the moment, this is all for this video. Just a brief taste of what it would be like to make changes to the website.